Oh, he's hissing at it. Can you hear him? He's hissing. Doesn't like littler birds. I think that's what happened to my conure. He was not happy with her being near him, and so they got into a spat. He wants to bite it. Look, he's trying to bite its head. Scratch, scratch, scratch. Give it kisses. Give it kisses. Kisses, yeah, kisses. Yeah, tap, tap, tap. He's afraid of it. Mm. I can get him to move because he doesn't like this. Oh, damn it. I can't stand anymore. Whoops, what happened to it? Why isn't it talking? Did it die? Did the birdie die? Huh? Did it die? No, it won't chirp anymore. Battery must be wore out. Okay, he went all the way down because he's afraid of it. So he can barely hear it. It's dying, birdie. Excuse the old fart in the back. Where you going? Where you going? Okay, I gotta pause.